Hey guys, Chris Miles with Beehive Blends CBD. About a year ago, we launched a new company in the CBD space right in the midst of COVID. Thank you for that. There was a company that really helped us through that. That company was 253 Media. They developed us a world-class website. They really did some great work with our SEO to bring us customers nearby, to direct that traffic into our retail store, to direct us with new vendors that wanted to carry our fantastic products, to get us all the way to customers coming from across the country, placing orders on our shopping site that they set up and built for us. Couldn't be more thrilled, couldn't be happier with them. I can honestly say that those guys feel like an extension of Beehive Blends, like they're our own in-house, solution. Love them.